Hi plant family, how are you all? Today I am going to show Jade plant propagation. I have taken sand, coco peat and small quantity of organic manure that I have made in my home only. These are the plants that I have already propagated in the soil. I will show how the roots are developed after 1 month. See, this much roots are developed. Don't disturb that soil, keep it aside. We will repot this one into another pot to make the plant bushier. I am going to repot all these 3 plants inside this pot. Like this, you have to fill half of the pot with the soil mixture. Gently you have to place one by one. Don't disturb lower soil. Okay, I will show another one how to remove slowly. Like this, you have to press along the plant pot. See how much root developed in this. This is a very slow root developer inside the soil. If you kept in the water, it will grow within a week. But these are, when you repot the soil propagated plants, it will grow healthier and also it will grow very fast after repotting. See, this is another plant. I am going to place gently and I will hold all the 3 plants in one hand and I will put soil all along the cuttings, repotting plants. Okay, gently you have to press. There should not be any air gaps. If there is any air gap, then it will rot and it will die. When we are going to put the water, it will get rot. Like this, gently you have to tap the pot and allow the soil to settle, and there should not be any air gap. Like this, gently press. Like this. This is done now. Keep it aside. I will show how collected the cuttings of this plant. Now, see, I will remove the lower side of the leaf. That should not be sit in the soil. Leaf should not be sit in the soil. It will decay and it will rot the whole process of the plant growth. Taken the repotting pots, propagating pots. I will fill up to the rim. Remove any soil clots is there. Like this. Well drained soil you have to take and fill up to the rim. Tap the pot so that all the soils will get settled. Take the cuttings. Now I am going to place the 2 cuttings in one pot. See, like this. Lower end of the cutting should be sit in the soil. Gently you have to place and you have to press all along the cuttings. That's it. After 1 month, you will see new growth of leaf. That means the root has developed very well. Like this, gently you have to press. Like this. You have to place in the shadier place. Don't put this plant in the hot sun. And you have to water it. Once you water this one, after 1 week only you have to water. Don't over water it. The roots will not develop, it will get decay because the plant is a succulent. It contains water in itself, so it requires very less water and low maintenance. See, I have propagated from single plant like this. Hang the plants for a decorative purpose. By this also you can arrange by taking small container. These are very shallow root developers. Thank you all. Enjoy planting jade.